Hello my dear friends, welcome back. In lecture number 4, I teach you about errors. I told you that there are two types of error. The first one is syntax, second one is semantic error. To find out syntax error is easy one because MATLAB will tell you what type of error you did and which line. But semantic error, or I can say simple logical error, is a very tricky one. Sometimes it even gives you correct output for some of input arguments, and for other input arguments it will give you unexpected results or error. So it's a very tricky one. But MATLAB will provide one tool to overcome this problem, known as Debugger. Debugger will help you to find out the error in your program easily. So let's first go to one program which I already created. So edit matrix sum. Let's just edit window a little bit so you can see whole program. Oops, you're not able to see command window completely, right? Just 1 minute, give me. Stretch this and okay. And perfect. Okay. So in this command, in this function will take up to 4 arguments. One argument is 0 arguments. If it is 0 argument, then by using null again, I told user that you have to give some arguments, input arguments. If it wants, it will give the sum of matrix or vector A. If I give it 2 arguments, then going to be sum of 2 vectors or 2 matrix. And if it's 3, then give me a sum of 3 matrix, and 4, then it will give me sum of 4 matrix. You can also create of n input arguments by using loops, but I'm not going to discuss that part. So let's first create the first few variables to check our function correctly. So let's say a is equal to 1 colon 5, b is equal to say 6 colon 20, let's say c is equal to 21 colon 15, t is equal to say 51 colon 100. Now let's create few vector also. Let's say e is equal to let's say 25, and let's say 3 by 3 matrix, then say f. Okay, now let's check our function is working correctly or not. So matrix, oops, let's first give no argument. Okay, so it's asking no argument, so let's give it a. It's 15. So what is the value of a? So 1 colon 5. So it's correct. Let's give a and b both. Let's say 210. So let's see what we get from by using sum operator 1 to 20. Oops. So it's still working correctly. What about c? It's a 1275. Let's go to 50. So again 1275, and let's give 4 arguments simultaneously. Let's say t, let's say 5050. Let's go to 100. So 5050. Now let's give e. Now that was unexpected. I wasn't expecting that one. Definitely not. So where did I go wrong? Now if I try to find this error in whole program, it takes lots of time, half an hour or hour, and if your program is lengthy, then going to take days. So the simple you can do is just click on the right side of window, right click, you just see one red round button pop up. It is known as breakpoint. Now let's again run the function. So now you can see one green arrow in front of red button. It will tell you that here you are stopped here. And look, come back to command window. Here it also tell you the third number line you stop. The function that your line is if nargin less than equal to 1, right? So exactly, and was here correctly. It say k before the arrow. It means you are in the function right now. You are in the function. So let's check the workspace. Your all variables just disappear. I created enf, but you can't see enf because we are in the function, and function doesn't have variable enf. So right now you are accessing the function and it's all local variable. So if you want to make any changes in function variable, you can make it if you want to. Let's say first what is check the value of a. So it's 5. Let's say a is equal to 6. Again call the it's changed. Let's put its value back. A is equal to 1 colon 5, right? Now here observe, here's step button. If you click here, then it goes step by step. So let's say step, it is not less than 1 because I gave some arguments. So it goes jump this part. Now again it's not again less than 2, so again jumped. It is not less than 3, so again it's going to jump. It is less than 4, no, still going to jump. Now that's else. Says create 4 variable, going to create 4 variable p, q, r, s. So here the error p, q, r, s. But wait a minute, what did I get in s? I expected some 1 digit variable. It will give me a matrix, or I just say row vector. So I think here I did something wrong, right? So press continue button, just run whole function and run. So let's check what we did wrong. What is help command to seek what is fault in sum. Let's stretch my command a little bit. Yep. Okay. The sum is the sum of the elements of vector s. Okay, so here I did the mistake. The sum will only give me the sum of columns, or if it's row vector, then it's going to give me sum of whole vector. But if I want to spec sum of whole matrix, then I have to use this one, sum all. So let's use it. Let's run again our function one more time, and before that let's remove this breakpoint, because if you don't remove that, it's going to stop that point again. Let's remove that, but you can just remove it by using clicking that point again. Matrix symmetry. Now this time I'm going to result getting what I want. I get expected output. So by using debugger tool, you can enter your function, you can check every single line, its variable, and find out error easily. So see you next lecture. Goodbye.